What's up, my people? Today is today. Hey, that guy for the tractor. The rain is coming. The rain is coming. No, my people, as you can see. Yeah, the place is black. Hey. The rain is coming. Heavy rain. Very heavy rain. As you can see. Yeah, this rain is too much. It's too much. Like they say, crude oil is 50%. So the whole week, there's gonna be raining like this. Look, and the sky is black. It's pitch black, my people, pitch black. Right here now. Now is right there. You can see other side. Now is right here the rain. If you drive a bike, hey, I feel shame for you now just because if the condition of the weather is like this, then you have a serious problem. Your journey it's not going to be as smooth it is. Just because it's going to be difficult you to drive while you are on a bike, raining like this. So these ones, what are they doing here in the middle of the road here? What are they doing there? Hey, someone was just trying to take a shortcut. Like I say, my people, if it's raining, hey, people, I don't know. I don't know what happening. I don't know why they're paying. Now it's raining. This is not a joke. No, this is not a joke. Now it's raining. If you plant something, if you have something in the land, it's raining like this. You know, everything is well, everything is good. But if you do a construction building, if the weather is like this, then you must know everything is a problem. It's raining, my people. As you can see, it's raining. It's raining. This is not a joke. It's raining, my people. It's raining. Everywhere is black, 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 black. Mm. You can't see nothing. You cannot see anything. Mm. The weekend is going to be nice. Everyone sitting by his place. No bothering other people just because it's very cold. Yeah. Yeah, I'm at N14, my people. I'm at N14 to Kruyasdorp. I believe and trust you know this freeway, N14. Now it's passing now. It's passing. It's passing now. Today I'm surprised I don't see motorcycle under the bridge. Yeah, this one it is a heavy rain, this one. It's surrounding the whole Kruger zone. If you do a outside business, it is not good. That's why all the time if you want to do a business, you must think on this kind of conditions, this kind of weather. Otherwise, you'll be left behind. If your business is indoor business and outdoor business, then you know you are covered. For example, maybe now you sell it in the street, putting some umbrella, then you have a problem. Then you have a serious problem. it's raining like this, my people, please drive safely. Drive safely. Let's respect each other in the road. Just because when now all these problems comes, we are panicking. Why? I don't know. Okay, my people, that's it. Thank you for everything, my people. Let's keep on subscribing and then supporting me. Leave the comment below the comment section. Hey, now I'm driving somewhere. Hey, this. Okay. Have a nice weekend, my people. Cheers. I'll see you to the next video.